this type of thinking really did help me go a long way in my career. And this is one example of what I got from Tech Stagnation. Surprised me the most was the simplicity of enterprise programming in Angular, because when I joined, basically I was thinking that this enterprise programming, enterprise projects, Angular in enterprise, it was this major behemoth that I needed to conquer. Like, you needed to do these many things, these crazy steps, these crazy libraries, these crazy this and that. Like, it seemed at the time that it was a very, very big step, but with the help of the experts inside of Tech Stagnation, I would be able to conquer it. But at the time, that was my expectation. Like, this is too much to handle, and I really need some experts to lead me along the way. But then I said that I was surprised by the simplicity of it. And the reason why is that when Bonnie was explaining to me the dynamic form, I was expecting like so much code, so much crazy steps to be involved into making this whole dynamic form work. But when she was scrolling through the code, most of it was just comments. Most of it was just comments and comments and comments, explaining one line, and then many comments, second line, many comments, third line. And then if I had to put it, like how big was this dynamic form in the end in her demo, it was around like, I would say like 50-ish lines. And if you think about the craziness of this statement, like enterprise level solution, you would expect more lines, but then it's like around 50, around 100. What? So you would even expect this to be like a library where this type of solutions are should have been a library a long time ago. But the reason why Bonnie decided basically not to make it a library, so to speak, was to allow me to see, basically, to open my eyes that I can literally do this level of programming with my own two hands, with my own brain, and to be able to think about these solutions on my own without instantly typing npmi, like npm install, like please library help me with this problem. No, you can actually solve this with your own hands if you know how to think about a problem on this level, if you know how to approach a problem on this level, and to deal with it in an elegant manner, in a sophisticated but a simple way, with brevity. So that's what she helped me realize, actually, with the example of her dynamic form, and then basically this principle of having the confidence of having the confidence of doing this on my own. I was able to replicate it in many other types of problems, like a dynamic input, a dynamic table, a dynamic this and that. Like, this type of thinking really did help me go a long way in my career. And this is one example of what I got from Tech Stagnation.